Yo guys, what's up? It's BillyBob1060. I'm back with the fourth video of the tutorial series of how to code a Minecraft pipeline. And in this video, we're going to be making 3 mods and we're going to be registering them. So make sure you've listened to the past videos. Make sure you got all the code that I have, or else it's not going to work. And open up Eclipse, get into your project, and you're gonna close these classes down. Okay, if you're not already. Open up source, go ahead and make a new package. So a new package, not a class, and call it whatever your other ones are, client.modules. Okay, so you see my packages here. You won't be able to create this one here unless you create that first. If you want to put a class into something where you've accidentally already used that name, so if I want to put something in me.BillyBob1060, make a class and just remove this bit and still put the name in here. Okay, now you're going to click on your empty package and you're going to click on new class, and this is going to be called flight. Okay, now open up get into your flight class, and basically, come back out, so you've got public class flight. After flight, after the space, put extends module. If you've not already seen, I have been tabbing things in. Make sure you do tab them in as well. It's just the tab key. It just makes code run and look nicer, and it's not as all over the place and stuff. So you'll see that we've got an error now. So to fix this error, go ahead and do flight, control space, and just do this dot. Just do super like that. And inside here, do what you want to call it. So it's flight, and the key code is keyboard dot. And you'll see that it either do that, but you want to use the old .lwjjl.input, and it's key underscore what do you say, F, now R. There you go. So when you click R, you're going to have flight enabled. Now that's not the hack coded yet, because we need to do the on update method. So you're also going to need an on disable and then an on update. Copy them voids out with the overrides and supers, and then inside the on update, do if mc.thePlayer. In fact, we're just gonna do MC. Right. Once you've copied them to, go into module, the module class. Come up to the top, real top, and just do public. Protected static Minecraft MC equals Minecraft dot get Minecraft, like that. Now in flight, you can just do MC dot the player dot fly capabilities dot is flying equals false. And then here, true. Now, even if the mod's not enabled right now, this is going to run. So what you need to do is you need to come down after this, and up here do if this dot is toggled, and put an exclamation mark before it like that, and do and just come down this line. You don't need to really put things around, because it's one line of code. So you don't need these things, just put it like that. Well, you can if you want. If you do have them, it would look like this. But you don't need them because it's only one line of code. So it is basically if it isn't enabled, then don't run the code in. Don't run anything past here. Okay. So that's it. That's flight. Now go ahead into client, your client class, and you're going to register it. So where you see your public static void register, after this line, do register module new flight, like that. Oops. Okay. Now, what I'll do is just copy that by whatever you do, just right click and duplicate it and rename it to nuke. Now this one I have done for a while, so you guys might not understand as much, but today I don't really want us to go so far in using the code of rendering. So what we'll do is we'll probably make a GUI YouTube class whenever you want. So for now, go ahead and make a private int xpass, private int ypass, private int zpass. And what this means is, in here you just basically, let's say this is where the player is standing. Give me a second. This isn't actually going to run in code, but I'm just explaining it to you. You don't need to write this. If the player is standing here, that's the player there. Sorry, then two things. We're going to want to start here, nuke that block, keep going, and then next line, nuke all them. So what we're going to do is we're going to loop, we're going to do make a new another int called private static int radius, which equals 3, 4 will do. For int x equals 0 if x is less than radius x plus plus. Now for int y equals 0, equals radius, if y is more than, is less than radius equals, is less than 0, if it's more than 0, then y plus plus. So what it says here is start at the radius and then count down for that one, minus, sorry, and then do the same for the int z. This time int z equals 0, not radius, and z is less than radius. I did this a long time ago, this code, so can't really remember what I did. I think it was so that it didn't lag as much with the extra plus plus. There you go. And you should have all your brackets. Like I said, you do need it this time for all these things because we are having a lot of code inside here, and the code actually is saying xpass equals mc.theplayer.pass x. Alright, yeah, we've done it. That's what I've okay, so for int x, say it's -2 radius, and that is -2 radius if it's more than that. Right, yeah, and then same as edge, that equals minus radius. Right, okay, now this equals x plus x, y pass equals mc.theplayer dot pass y plus y, and then z pass equals mc.theplayer dot pass z plus z. Now you'll see the errors. All you need to do is convert these to an int. So before each of them, just do an int, and then int, oh, int. We're not using doubles, because what's the point? We're just using the basic for now. So what we've now gonna do, you can change this to this dot boss x. There's more efficient ways of doing it, but this is practically the simplest way. Now after this, do block pass equals new block pass, and it's this dot x pass, this dot y pass, this dot z pass, and let's just call it block pass like that. Now block equals block equals mc dot the world dot get block state block pass. Too tired. Block pass dot get block. So that's the block. Now just import block. Command Shift O quickly imports everything, and then if block dot get material equals material dot air, then continue. So if it's air, then instead of saying return, which would actually destroy the whole of the code of update, we just want to move on to the next block. Now the next thing, like I said, it's only one line of code and then things. Now this is the bit that breaks the block. So you do mc.theplayer.sendQ.add to sendQ new co, and it should be packet dig. You just find it. Digging probably, yeah. CO7 packet player digging. What's this variable again? Action. So it's action dot start destroying block. So start destroy block. What's this got to be? This has got to be a block pass. So that's your block pass. And now this is enum facing. So this is enum facing dot north. Copy that line of code and put it again, and this time it's stop destroying block. There we go. Now come up to the top and change this flight to nuke and whatever key you want. I'm putting it at N, normal nuke key. Now copy flight or whatever again and call this one no full. No full used to be really hard coded, so there's just a really easy way of doing it now. Basically call this no full at the top, no full, and whatever you want to be, and that's already taken. Oh, okay. Delete that. Come into here, remove that, and swap it for if mc.theplayer.full-distance is more than 2f. So if their full distance is more than 2 blocks, f is just a float. You need to put that f there. Then block mc.theplayer dot sendQ dot add to sendQ new COO, I think, packet player. CO1 packet player. CO2 packet. Oh my god. Yeah, CO3, there we go. True. True, so basically we're saying that he's on the ground. Constantly on the ground. If you fly up really high in game mode 0, drop down halfway, then turn it on, you're still gonna die. You just need to have it on before you jump off, because it sets you to the ground. So if you set yourself to ground while in the middle of the air, it's pretty much the same as what you're going to have the effects of on them. So you've coded free hacks, let's now go into your client folder, your client class, and register all of these. Oops, register module, new nuke, register module, new no. Okay, now you can run this. The next video, I'm going to be adding an in-game GUI for everyone, so we can code that. I'm going to code all that up and just make the client look nice and fancy. Then I'm going to start working on a few more hacks to your desired liking. Okay, so there we go. Now what you need to do is open up a welder, which is probably a welder that's already been destroyed. Now you've got a few hacks in the menu, and let's see if they work. So what we'll start with is the fly. Press R to get flying, and there you go, it works. Game mode 0, R for flying. And now let's see if we take full damage. There we go. Put no fall on. Oh. And now we have nuke. Nuke, there you go, and your nuke works as well. So just click the keys that you set it to, and your mods will work. As you see, it is dark. The next mod we'll be making, the next video will be full bright. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Have a good day, and hope this helped you a lot. And peace out.